crap. No, not the marina. Oh, shoot. Oh, I'm getting in the car. Let's see. Alright. Oh, shoot. What's up? Oh, the cops. The punks. Hey, what's going on over there? Or over here? We're trying to explain to them that it's bad to attack other towns. Well, we like to hurt the punks. We always do that. You idiots. Hey, that's against the law. You can't attack this place, or else we will arrest you. Huh, what are you gonna do? You don't even have the military. We got armed people. Well, we'll see about that. Alright, well, you come here. What? Here. Ah, they grabbed my leg! Ah! Ah! Shoot them, or else I'll kill you with this gun. But right now, I'll give it to you. Do it. Just do it. We don't like our lives anyway. Good. Good. Now you must join us. Nope. What the? Ah! Nope. Ah! Ah! Oh, shit. That's it. Just die! Alright, so what's it? Oh. Oh, jeez. Oh. Oh, no. This can't be happening. Gosh darn it. Darn, what did the punks do to this place? Mess. Oh man, my son. He's gonna be so mad. Wait. Oh, speaking of my son, I better check on him. Beep, beep, beep. Yes? Hey, David. Oh, hey, Hey, Dad. You could call me Connor. It's fine. Oh, right. But hey, Dad. Hi. How's your job going? Good. How's the marina? I heard you were going there. How's it looking? I have some bad news. The punks absolutely don't destroy the place. What? No. Well, what about Lawrence Lee? What is he gonna do about it? Nothing, apparently. The punks said that. I saw a note that they had a deal that they can destroy the marina and Lawrence Lee won't do anything about it. And they actually your own boss hired them to destroy his company. What? That's insane. Why would my boss do that? Well, and actually, he's the bigger threat than my brother, than your uncle. My uncle? I have an uncle? I told you. Your Uncle Braden. Oh. Uncle Braden. Oh, yeah, I remember. Have you two forgiven each other? Forgiven each other? I would never forgive him. Don't you understand? He left me to die when I was my apartment was on fire. Didn't even care about me. I would never forgive him for that. Ever. Well, you need to give him a chance. Maybe he changed. No, he won't change. You gotta listen, David. He will not change. Ever. You cannot see him. I won't let you. He'll just treat you like how he treats me and your grandmother and grandfather and your mother, including me. And you. Alright, well, next time you see him, punch him in the face and let him know that was my message. Sure. Wait a minute. That bull wasn't here when Nathan was here. Hold on. Check back my way over there. Oh shoot. Nice tech. Alright. What the heck? This is how they can put a boat. Oh shoot. There's water getting in. Wait. Yeah. What? Wait. Wait. What's that say? Wait. It says property of Punk Inc. No. This can't be his boat. This is his boat. This is Braden Trasmore speaking. Connor, if you listen to this, I know what you do with my soldiers, but I'm coming for you. I will be meeting you at Nathan's house. All of your friends have been captured. You better be ready, because everything's about to go down. Well, at least... Frick. Gosh darn it. I'm gonna leave David a message. David, this is probably the last time you will ever see me. I'm going to go fight your uncle, and I will give him your message. I promise. I love you. I'll see you in the afterlife.